Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find your room on the Caesar Rewards application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the rewards button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Then you should tap on the account button in the upper right corner and then tap on the second option within the account section, find my room. Here you should select your hotel by tapping on select hotel. Here you can find the options and then you should enter your numeric portion of your room number into this last bar. Tap on find room at the bottom of the page and then you will be able to find your room if you have entered the correct room number. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.